This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by AnthonyBernosky. Great income producing second floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom condominium with tenant in place through 11/26. Impact windows and doors have been installed. When sitting on your front balcony, enjoy perfect views of the heated community pool, clubhouse, and lush mature landscaping around the complex. Seabreeze is a short distance to Residence Beach, restaurants, and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Bernosky at 239-394-2505.